What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy, Mr. Charlie, coming back to you with another mukbang. Today, we have Subway. Anyways, please like, subscribe, comment, and of course, give it a big thumbs up. And let's get it on! Alright. Always gotta start with the zero. Today, we have 3 sandwiches. 1 of my favorites, and then 2 of my wife Gigi's favorites. Let's start off with hers. First of all, her favorite, hands down, is the meatball sub. This one is like a little bit with a twist. All right, we call it the boss. Okay, and then here she also likes the sweet onion teriyaki, and then of course, hands down, my favorite, this guy's favorite, Italian BMT. All right, we're gonna start off with sweet onion teriyaki. All right. I can see why she likes it. Comes with the teriyaki glazed chicken and then fat-free sweet onion sauce. And then for toppings, of course, well, first of all, everything Italian herbs and cheese. For me, you know, this guy loves his cheese. I got extra pepper jack cheese. And then got lettuce, spinach, gotta get your greens, right? Tomatoes, red onions, black olives, and then banana peppers for a little bit of sweet kick. And then to add a little bit more sauce, roasted garlic aioli. Your hands down for me, anytime I go to a sandwich shop, I always look for the jalapeno chips. And for Subway, they got the Miss Vicky's. Currently, it's been raining all day today. Got a little wet getting these sandwiches, but like I said, the show always must go on. Miss Vicky's. Zero. Also keep in mind, at Subway, they have another choice where if you want more protein, so I always usually ask for more meat and stuff. So here, I got lucky. They got something called the footlong pro. So these are all footlongs, but because it's the pro, you get double the protein. Double the protein. Meatball, but with the twist. This is called the boss. They claim this is like your classic old Italian grandmother, you know, type sub. You got your meatballs, you got your fresh mozzarella, and this time they added pepperoni, like a boss. I don't know, the jalapeno chips, just a must-have for me. It's always been my go-to every time I have a sandwich. Hands down, my favorite, Italian BMT. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Another bite. The basic BMT. Genoa salami, pepperoni, and ham. Obviously, with Italian herbs and cheese, I got extra provolone. And then for the greens, you got lettuce, tomatoes, red onions, spinach, of course, black olives, banana peppers for that extra kick. And then why not? Some peppercorn ranch. Always, for hot sandwiches, get your buns toasted. Once again, download and install the Subway app. Great experience. No issues. Everything flawless. The ordering, choosing the sandwiches. You got so many different types, by the way. They even have like the celebrity signature ones. I thought that was interesting. We actually just got back from our vacation. Took Bella to her first Disneyland experience. Oh, and by the way, going back to the app, if I can do with Bella's experience. Gift card, flawless. Well done, Subway. Bella loved it. Turns out we were right. She's a fast rider. Unfortunately, there was a couple of things in Fantasyland. Yeah, she just was not liking them. She enjoyed everything that was considered pretty fast, bumpy, and even if it was slow, if it was dark, we're good to go. Did all the research. Found all the tips and tricks and all that stuff. And yeah, best thing. Well, first of all, it's like the holidays now, right after Thanksgiving. So because it's getting closer to, like, you know, Christmas time, because they do all their shows or whatever, but with the Christmas fantasy twist, way more people. We started our day, it was 2 days actually. That's something I definitely recommend. If you can do 2 days, perfect. The parks open earlier for guests to stay at their hotels. The thing is though, the parking lots, they all open an hour before the park opens. So we tried to get there. First of all, they open at 8. Tried to get there at 7. We got there around like 7:30. Still, plenty of parking. Definitely recommend taking the shuttle. That's my number 1 tip. If you take their shuttle, before you even get on the bus, you got to go through security. And they check everything. And we brought obviously Bella's stroller, all that good stuff. And plus, yeah, keep it simple. Just enough you can, like, because you got to take everything out. And to fit everything on the bus, you have to have a foldable stroller. Once the bus takes you to the resort, super close by the way, and we parked our car at the Toy Story parking lot because it takes you straight to the resort. You get there, already went to security. You just have to go away, scan your pass, and you're in. You're good to go. For Bella's sake, we didn't really watch any shows because we just felt like Bella just didn't really understand, a little too young. And plus, all she wants to go is woo, super fast. Oh, Miss Vicky's. Oh, Miss Vicky's. Got the tickets online. And then we didn't stay on the resort. We stayed at an Airbnb. Actually not that far away. Easy drive. Well worth it. Fraction of the price of staying at on the resort. BMT. I wanted to do the character meet and greets, killing 2 birds with 1 stone. The dining in and then the character meet and greets. Was trying to book the Plaza Inn, located in Fantasyland. Tried every day off the Disney app. Oh, that's another thing. Download the app so you can use their Disney Genie. No luck. Let's hoping so for last minute cancellations. No. So Bella didn't really get to meet actually any characters. We saw a lot of characters, especially during the parade. And they do 2 parades, one in the afternoon, one in the evening. Both the same. Everybody's the same. It's just the one in the evening, you can now add the lights. If you have a toddler like Bella, while you're waiting in those long lines, bring something to keep him or her busy. In our case, we brought a lot of our favorite snacks. Check their guidelines, their restrictions. They always update it. In this case, they had guidelines for like strollers. But the best part, outside food and drinks, just nothing in a glass container. So my beautiful wife Gigi, she packed some yubu chubab. Perfect lunch item. Hit the spot every time. Because this is Gigi's favorite. And she actually tried the Boss version. I'm gonna save this one for her. Well, that was an amazing meal. And once again, if you liked the video, give it a big thumbs up, like, subscribe, and of course, comment down below. All right, what is your favorite Subway? Anyways, thanks for watching, and of course, till next time. Mr. Charlie?